In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Microsoft OneDrive account in just about 5 minutes. OneDrive is a fantastic tool for storing your documents, photos, and other important files in the cloud, making them accessible from any device, anywhere, as long as you have internet access. So let's not waste any time and get right into how you can create your very own OneDrive account. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you're comfortable with. Next, navigate to Google. That's right, our first step will be a simple Google search to find the OneDrive sign-up page. Once you're on Google's homepage, type in Microsoft OneDrive into the search bar and hit enter. You should see a list of search results, but don't worry, you won't have to sift through them all. Look for the result titled Personal Cloud Storage, Microsoft OneDrive, and click on that. This link will take you directly to the official OneDrive page that Microsoft has set up for individuals like you and me who are looking to store our files in the cloud. Once you're on the OneDrive page, keep an eye out for a button that says Create a Free Account. That's your next click. This button is crucial because it's your gateway to getting your very own OneDrive account without any costs involved for the basic plan. Clicking on Create a Free Account will redirect you to the account creation page. Here you'll be prompted to create a Microsoft account, which is necessary to use OneDrive. If you already have an account with Microsoft, such as for Outlook or Xbox, you can use that to sign in. However, for those of you setting up a new account, you'll go ahead and click on the option to create one. This brings you to a form where you'll begin the process of creating your new Microsoft account. Enter an email address you'd like to associate with your new OneDrive account. Once you've entered your email, you'll click on Next. This action will prompt you for more details, but right away you'll need to choose a password. When creating a password, make sure it's strong and secure to protect your files. Remember, this password is the key to accessing your files on OneDrive, so make it something you'll remember, but others can't easily guess. After you've entered all the required information and chosen your password, go through any additional steps Microsoft may ask you to complete. This could include verifying your email address or entering a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! You've successfully created your Microsoft OneDrive account. You can now start uploading documents, photos, and other files to your personal cloud storage. Since it's accessible anywhere, you can log in from any device, be it your laptop at home, a computer at work, or even your smartphone when you're on the move. OneDrive is more than just a place to store your files. It's a place to share them with others, collaborate in real time, and even edit documents without having to download them. It integrates seamlessly with Office Online so you can work on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files right from your browser. And there you have it. You're all set to explore and utilize the powerful features of Microsoft OneDrive. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you in the next video.